Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make traditional hot cross buns. So let's begin. Grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place your bread flour along with the salt and give it all a good mix just until the two are fully combined. You can then go ahead and add in the remaining ingredients including the butter, the egg, the yeast. You can then go ahead and add in the sugar, the spice and the water and mix on a low speed to start with until a clear dough has formed. Once the clear dough has formed, you can then go ahead and add in the fruit and mix this in on a low speed just until the fruit is fairly distributed within the dough. Then you can take it from the bowl and place it onto a floured surface and give it a brief knead just until it's smooth and elastic. Bring into a ball shape and then place into a lightly oiled bowl and cover with some cling film, leaving it somewhere warm for around an hour or so until it's doubled in size. So after an hour the dough should be doubled in size, so grab your dough and place it onto a floured surface and knock it back. This is the process of removing the gases that are built up in the dough during the first proof. You can then take it and scale your dough off at around 90 grams per hot cross bun and then just put it to the side. I always do that, I always measure up all of my dough first. Make sure you keep it covered if you're in a dry climate, but you should always keep your dough covered anyway. Round the dough balls off with the palm of your hand on the work surface and then place onto a lined baking tray. Make sure you leave enough space in between each dough ball as they will rise while they're in the second proof. So if you don't give them enough space, they'll proof into each other and won't look great. But then once you've got them on the tray and all perfectly placed, you can cover with cling film and leave for an hour. And then after an hour they should be just about touching and they'll batch up a little bit while baking. Then you can go ahead and pipe on the cross which goes on top, which is just a mixture of bread flour and water into a paste, and then you can just pipe over as you can see I'm doing here, and then repeat it on the other way so you've got a cross on top of each hot cross bun. So then you can take your hot water and honey mixture and just brush it over the top of each hot cross bun, making sure that each has got a generous coating, and this just adds a sticky topping that you know that you get on a hot cross bun. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again on Thursday with another recipe for you, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be links to my blog, my social medias and anything else that I think is relevant. So don't forget, if you're interested, check the description of this video out for more information. But yeah, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you want to see any more Easter recipes, as I've got a few more planned. But yeah, that's all for today. Bye guys.